First three things you want to teach your puppy since day one. Number one, potty training. As soon as you bring the puppy home, take him or her to the designated area, let him do his job, then start enjoying your puppy. Number two, crate training. The last thing you want is your puppy running all over the place, destroying things, biting on you, and doing all the mischief. So, before getting the puppy, get a crate and introduce him to the crate as early as possible. Number three, socialization and exposure. Make sure once the puppy vaccination shots are over, you take him to all the places that you go. Make sure you socialize him well to the dogs, human beings, and also get him exposed to all kinds of sight, sound, and smell.